Hey there! Today we're going to tackle an interesting problem that can arise when working with DateTime objects in Raku. In a recent REPL session, we encountered a situation where two DateTime objects, $now and $8 hours later, had different time zones 28,800 for $now and 0 for $8 hours later. This inconsistency led to a difference in time calculations that raised some eyebrows. Now, let's delve into the solution to this time zone dilemma. A recent update in Raku introduced a new feature where the Date.today.DateTime cursor now includes a time zone argument, which defaults to $*TZ. This change, available in version 6.e and higher, ensures that DateTime objects are created with consistent time zones, avoiding the time zone mismatch issue we faced earlier. In the updated Raku version, you can now run the following commands to see the improved DateTime behavior in action. By using use_v6.d, you'll get a DateTime object for the current date with a time zone of Z. But with use_v6.e.preview, the DateTime object will be returned with a time zone of +0, 2:00, showcasing the new default time zone functionality. Furthermore, you can apply a temporary workaround by utilizing the inTimeZone method with $*TZ as the argument. This allows you to adjust the time zone of a DateTime object to match your desired time zone, ensuring consistency and accuracy in your time calculations. In summary, the recent update in Raku has addressed the time zone inconsistency issue when working with DateTime objects, providing a more streamlined and reliable experience for users. Remember to stay updated with the latest versions to take advantage of these improvements. And with that, we've reached the end of our video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!